finally here. I have those special vertical fins for Golf MK7, and those will go over here and over here. This was a standard on Alltrack, I believe, and GTI R. Okay, so let's start with cleaning the glass and then let's try to stick it on. Finishing touches, and it's done. Okay, I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, check the link in the description below this video if you want to buy this set on AliExpress. It's about $15, I believe, including shipping. And there's also a version for the 5-door and 3-door hatchback. So that's it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. Check my other videos about Volkswagen and other cars and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.